OptiClimate, a unique technology. Cloud provides the best environment for plant growth, with unit cooling, heating, dehumidification, air solution, filtration, and induction in a system. OptiClimate is independent invented by high-cool climate research team through over 10 years. OptiClimate has developed into synonymous with high-tech energy-saver products. There is a complete series of Pro 2 to Pro 5 products. They are of air-cooled system, water-cooled system, packaged or split units with frequency conversion technology, voltage stabilization and current stabilization, even zero-emission clean refrigerant. High-cool OptiClimate is the best choice for OptiClimate farm.